this is my review for this Eureka vacuum. I am 10 out of 10 would recommend. Expectations have been exceeded. This is such high quality, and previous to this I had, well, here's the remnants of it, the Dirt Devil, just a small, under $100, maybe like $75, and I can't remember the exact price, but I know that this was in that range. So my expectation, I thought that maybe it's gonna do a decent job. This is a very good vacuum. So some of the features I like, you plug in the cord to vacuum. That's one downside, but I have a small space, so it's not a big deal for me. And then it retracts it so quickly, and this is the on and off button. This has wheels and it travels around behind you very easily, or you could pick it up too. I recognize, I hadn't read the instructions. Oh, and putting it together was so simple. It was ridiculously easy. Okay, this has this super concentrated suction, and this is more general, which is awesome because on a carpet or a rug, you want it to, have more power, and then generally on the floor, it's not as big of a deal. The vacuum part of it attaches on, it clips on, and then it clips off so easily. You just do that. And then if you want to scrub like a car, like your seats in your car or on the couch, this stays on, so you never lose it. And then when you want to put on your vacuum, you just pinch, you slide that back. And there's different modes on this. It's similar to the setting on the end of the vacuum, more concentrated versus more general. I think that is what this is, but for the end, for this contraption. And yeah, I just did a little trial and it got all that dirt. So, yep, this is awesome. Definitely get it.